Today, I, Sumaira Eahtesham, a student of class 10, is immensely honored before you all on behalf of my schoolmates to enlighten the motive, the aim of Huda Milli School. So before we can start the topic, let us first talk about the importance of education in Islam. As we all know, that the first word of the Quran, which was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is Iqra, which means to read. Why? Why is the first verse of the Holy Quran revealed to Prophet Muhammad is Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq, that is, पढ़ो अपने रब के नाम से जिसने तुम्हें पैदा किया. It could be something like Allah is God and Prophet Muhammad is his messenger, right? It could be something related to Deen or Islam, like Inna Deena Indallahi Islam. But why the first message from Allah to mankind is to read, to get knowledge, to get information? Dear friends, in the first revelation of the Holy Quran, multiple types of question arises. Now my next question to you all is that, is the word Iqra means just to read the Quran and to get information about Islam only? Or the word Iqra means to know the worldly things like science, maths, engineering, astronomy and many other things? The message from Allah to mankind is just to read and no other information is provided. It is the humans who have divided studies into various subjects like physics, chemistry, maths, bio and many other things. But our holy book, the Quran, contains information about all these things in a collective form. For example, the origin of the universe, the brain anatomy, sun revolves in its own orbits, the rotation of planets, the shape of mountains, the internal waves in ocean depths. Subhanallah, all these things are mentioned in the Quran 1400 years ago before the science unfolded. You can say that science is lame without the Quran. And our Prophet Muhammad urged Muslims to acquire knowledge irrespective of their age or gender in order to succeed in this world as well as in the hereafter. Even our Prophet made practical examples in lifetime for the mankind to get guidance. I hope you all know that in the Battle of Badr, the Muslims had arrested 70 non-Muslims after inflicting a crushing defeat on the invading army of Mushrikeen of Makkah. And do you know that apart from decent treatment, Prophet Muhammad came up with a criteria that he said that those who are literate among those prisoners could go free wherever they want if they taught basic literacy to the 10 Muslim children. Can you imagine how important education is in our life? And following the footprints of our Prophet Muhammad and his last advice, that is the Quran and the Sunnah, our school, Huda Milli School, has set mission for the guidance of this ummah, and it is not only preparing us to succeed in this world, but it is also preparing us to succeed on the last day, the day of judgment. Our school stands as a beacon of knowledge, faith and community, deeply rooted in the principle of Islam. So as we delve into the essence of this institution, it is very essential to know the profound values that it involves. So at Huda Milli School, our primary focus is not solely on academics, but on the holistic development of the students. We aim to cultivate well-rounded individuals who embody the core values of Islam as they navigate the challenges of the modern world too. Huda Milli School has some of its own discrete vision and mission. Talking about its mission, Huda Milli School aims to produce good, reflective, self-directed learners who have problem-solving skills, critical thinking abilities, learning skills, and many more. It aims to be a place where individuality of each and every person is recognized, and where that recognition is seen in the school's curriculum diversity and credibility, diverse teaching strategies, and student-centered processes. The school aims to create a school environment that instills in students love and obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in accordance with the sayings and deeds of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It allows us to get benefit from the teachings of the Quran and the Sunnah of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our school also places a high value on a society, creating a world built on trust and compassion. Last, but certainly not the least, our school also promotes academic excellence. It believes that a strong foundation in education is very crucial for a student to succeed in this fast-paced competitive world. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to unveil the great success achieved by the stars of our Huda Milli school. The students from the first batch of Hatamis have achieved great success in their academic year, in which the highest score was 92%. Likewise, the students from the second batch of Huda Milli school have also shown outstanding performance in their academic year, in which the highest score was 95%. And some of our white students have also cleared the 10+2 entrance exam of Jamia and ANU in their first attempt. MashaAllah. And our school students are not only good achievers in this modern world, but they are also great achievers in the Islamic world too. In conclusion, Huda Milli School faces a testament to the values of morality, ethics, excellence, academics, and many other things. The school is committed to nurture students to not only excel in their studies, but to also embody the values of Islam in our daily life. हम इस बात के गुलशन हैं, ये गुलशन महकता रहे मौसम खिजा में भी. हम इस बात के गुलशन हैं, ये गुलशन महकता रहे मौसम खिजा में भी. मेरी दुआ है मेरे अल्लाह, मेरा चमन सलामत रहे आंधी और तूफान में. जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरन.